Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Samsung Finance account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now simply type in mytdfinancing.com/Samsung. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Samsung Financing. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the option for login. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to the official sign in interface. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. What you have to do is enter your username and password. Click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on this option, forget username, and you'll be able to recover it. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forgot or reset the password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Samsung Finance account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.